Yes, let us move on to the next question. It says, if each side of a cube is a question typically on mensuration and percentages, so a combination of the two. If each side of a cube is decreased by 19%, then the change in the surface area is, okay. So I hope you remember, or you recall the concept that we discussed on successive percentages previously also in most of the questions, in a couple of questions rather. You see that that also can be applied here, because you talk about the surface area. So if there is a drop in the surface area, it has got two dimensions, length and breadth, though it is the same in the context of a cube. So both are decreasing by 19% each. So you could apply successive percentage change and notice that the net drop would be 1990, which is 38, minus 361 by 100, which is 3.61. So the net drop here is 34.9%, which is the answer. Is there any other way? Yes, there is. Let us have a look at it. Yeah, so if each side is reduced by 19%, so it being a cube, right? If you notice, all sides of the cube would be reduced by 19%. So basically, if you assume one side of the cube to be 100, okay? So yeah, just observe this. So if you assume one side of the cube to be 100, by a 19% drop, it would mean that the changed value of the sides would be 81. Okay, so 100 each here, this would be 81. So how much is the surface area here for a cube? 6a square. So 6 times 100 square. This would be 6 times 81 square. Okay, because this is the changed surface. So therefore, what's the percentage decrease? It is 6 times 100 square minus 6 times 81 square. So if you should be able to solve it rather orally. 100 and 100 gets cancelled, 6 and 6 gets cancelled. So you're left with 100 square minus 81 square, which is 100 plus 81 into 100 minus 81. This entire thing is divided by 100. Okay. So you've reached here, right? So what is 100 minus 81? 19. 100 plus 81 is 181. So 19 times 180 also, roughly, would be 19 times 18 upon 10, which is how much? 342 by 10. So roughly a drop of how much? 34.2%. So therefore the answer is option 2, because there is no other option that is close. Okay, so that's the alternative for you.